Hi guys, so today we have Harshit Chauhan, the author of Kalyuga and many other books जो आपने लिखी है. वैसे to be honest, I'm not a bookworm, but मैं जानना चाहूँगा जो आपकी latest book आई है कलियुगा 2, उसके बारे में आप कुछ बताइए.
सो कलियुगा 1 की कहानी कंटिन्यू हो रही है और कलियुगा 1 की कहानी ये है ऑन द सरफेस कि एक 18-year-old boy is told by a bunch of misfits like himself कि you're supposed to be the Kalki avatar, which according to the Hindu traditions is supposed to be the savior of all of mankind,
Okay.
but also the destructor at the same time. This 18-year-old boy does not agree with anybody कि I am supposed to be Kalki avatar because he has a dark past, which is a spoiler which I can't tell right now.
True.
But what adds to his doubt is that there's a futuristic organization, future से ही आई है वो, वहाँ पे the sci-fi element comes in. अब they say कि Gotham is not Kalki, but he's Kali of Kalyug. Kali as in the demon who is supposed to just ruin everything for the Kalki avatar. What adds further doubt is that there's a hooded figure who claims knowledge over the past, present and future, and he says यही तुम्हारा इतिहास है, Gautam Yadav, you are Kali of Kalyug. Book 1 ends with this cliffhanger and suspense. Is he Kalki? Is he Kali? You don't find out as the reader. It's towards the end of book 2 in the last 2 lines that is fully revealed then.
Okay.
That's the story on the surface. The socio-political, social justice themes that I'm trying to bring is through a question: who would a Kalki avatar go against? Is it people who are non-believers, atheists, or those of different traditions? Or is it those who use mazhab, religion, and dharm as an excuse to suppress others, abuse others, do politics in its name, and profit from it, which has been the history of the modernized orthodox version of each and every single religion. So that's what I'm trying, concept that I'm trying to bring. And in the cover of the second one, actually, there's a multiversal portal of sorts that opens,
Right.
and out walks Sri Ram. So is he the Sri Ram from this universe, that universe that I haven't revealed, like I won't reveal right now, but it's kind of him in this form addressing the dissonance. The dissonance in the sense कि मेरा नाम लेते हो in whatever form. It could be in the form of an Allah or a Yahweh or any other tradition. कि any tradition is taking my name. What is happening in my name is what he is trying to address through this. So multiple science fiction elements, multiverse भी है, time travel भी है.
Amazing.
Yes.
So can we expect part 3 of this?
Part 3 का teaser already.
Ready
One
है?
second. It's in here.
Damn. Coming
Yes.
soon. Coming
Coming
soon.
soon.
Coming soon. Okay. And क्या inspiration है वैसे मतलब आपका ये लिखने का? It's personal experiences or what it is?
I've been inspired to by these stories ever since I was a kid. I was 10 years old जब सपना देखा था मैंने. तब writing skills lacked, so I would play with action figures, make the story up. And it wasn't until 10 years later this dream was like stuck like a bug in my mind. Tab I locked myself in a room, 8 hours, 80 pages of notes, and I just scribbled that.
Wow.
And it was like the most mystical thing that had happened. I did समय की सब तोड़ दिया था मैंने, like every boundary of time basically. So my characters come to life. So at the end of that vision, I wrote a note to myself that whatever I just saw here can't stay stuck in here. It has to be out there. And in a very Bollywood-like manner, I then took a break from my college in the US, came back to the Himalayas in India, Mussoorie, Ladakh. I did ultra marathons, would try to think about the plot of this book. And in 5 months, the first one was ready. After the success of this, it compelled me to take this more seriously. So I switched to a college which was based in Hindu and Buddhist philosophies, and had a very strong writing program. So I strengthened my writing there and my own philosophical understanding and depth, which led me to research texts like the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, Isa Upanishad, and the Bhagavad Gita commentary by Paramahansa Yogananda ji.
Wow.
So all of that experience has been condensed in this one. Yes.
The reader's gonna get a delight of all your experience in these books, and I hope this becomes a huge success. Book part 1 से भी ज़्यादा part 2
Oh, thank
readers
you.
को पसंद आए, and
Thank
all
you.
the best for part 3.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Harshit, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.